Look, for all the people that are here for the sewing videos, I'm sorry. I know it's been too long. I got another one after this one that I'm cooking up. I'm in the process of editing another one. Look, I'm sorry. I'm trying to push them out more, but without further ado, let's get into it. This is an older video. Got one more older video, then they're gonna be more recent, and we're gonna get back into it. Love y'all. Thank y'all for staying tuned in. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you wanna see. What's poppin'? It's your boy Young Fine 99XX, and today we're gonna be sewing up a hoodie. And I had an idea for like some premature hems, if you wanna call them, and I was also gonna put a little mask inside the hood that you can like button up, you know. So, and I don't know how it's gonna go. It's my first time making it. I know you haven't seen me for a while, but let's get into it. Let's see how it's gonna work. The first thing you will need is the front and back hoodie pattern, some long ass arms, because I'm gonna be making some hems to like shorten them up. They're gonna be, you'll see. This is the extra fabric I have to make the face mask, and this is the hood, and some optional branding if you want. But there you go. That's all you need to make a hoodie, you know. Front, back, then the arms, then here's the mask, and here's the hood. Let's get into it. I pretty much sewed my branding on off camera because I hope you know how to top stitch. And now I'm just gonna put the hoodie together like regular, you know, put the shoulders together, I'm gonna put the sleeves together. So now I'm just gonna attach these sleeves, and then I'll meet you back to tell you about what I call the premature hems. So now that we pretty much have the whole structure sewn up, yeah, I know the sleeves are long as fuck. Now we just sew her up regular, and then we'll put the premature hems in the sleeves. Sew her up. So my camera got unfocused here, so I'm gonna take the second to just show you guys some of the distressed and repaired pants I've been working on lately. Got some leather patches in there. I realized my Cricut cut leather, so I'm about to go silly with that, man. But yeah, I got a Dremel tool, so I'm really finna go crazy, man. I just need y'all to tap in with me at nta.nwo on Instagram. I'm gonna drop the website down below if any of these pants pique your interest. But yeah, thank you guys. All right, so basically to make these hems, what we're gonna do is turn the jacket inside out. And wherever you want the hem, it's basically gonna be like an early hem that lays flat down. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna see where I want my hem at. Make sure it's laying flat. You want your hem to lay flat, obviously. So that's flat. You're gonna get another one to do on this arm. Okay. So I got my two hems that I'm gonna put in my sleeves, the first ones. So now all I do is go over to the sewing machine and sew these around like a hem, you know, like a full circle, like a hem and a pair of pants. Man, so I like it. This is what the first ones did. This is how they turned out. So this is the hem right here. And what it allows it to do is when I pull the sleeves down, it's like this part straight and this part is where this one starts, but the tension's there because this hem's pushing it down. And it's like it gives it a little stab, and I fucks with it heavily. So I might just go ahead and throw on the hood and then throw on the mask on the hood. Now that I think about it, I don't know if we've ever sewed hoods together. No, I think we have, but not like a real deal hood. So what you want to do is cut 4 identical pieces and sew two together. One's the lining and one's the outside. You're gonna take your 2 hoods, find that top of the hood, make sure it's not the bottom where it attaches to the jacket. All right, and then we're gonna attach these so that these seams are on the inside like this. And to do that, basically, all we have to do is serge them together with the seams out, and once we flip it inside out, there'll be no seams, at least that we see. All right, let's do it.
Oh, I like this.
Just serge it up, and now when we flip it inside out, yeah, now you see that hoodie shape that I was talking about. Hold on. Damn, this bitch is shallow as fuck. This bitch is so very shallow. So that's gonna be right there. Right here. Wow. I have to go home and recut the hood because this is not a fucking hood. Okay, I'm tripping. This is totally enough for a hood. I just fucked around and had it like this instead of like this. So make sure you have it on the right fold. You want it to have that depth. And you want it to have that little, maybe a little incline going from the back to the front, or from the front to the back. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and sew this down so I can add a string if I would like to. And then we're gonna sew it to the shirt or jacket. Off screen, I serged the bottom of the hood just so it'll be easier to sew on. I did the neck hem and the bottom hem of the jacket. So now all I have to do is attach this hood to this jacket, and then we'll get the mask on. A lot of y'all, my fucks with this so heavy, I don't even want to fuck it up with the mask. Like, I might just do a separate video with the mask and drop that next week. This is so hard, I don't want to mess it up. You know what I mean? I don't know if y'all ever been through that. You want to add so many ideas to something. 2 ideas is a lot. You want to add a lot of stuff to something, and you don't want to mess it up. This is a hard hoodie. I'm fucking with it. I'm gonna just keep things how they are. But I'll catch y'all next time. Ooh, thought I was done. I'll catch y'all next time though, and that time we will do the mask. I'm just gonna leave the arms regular, but I'll put the mask in. So yeah, I'm gonna get the fabric for that tomorrow, and then that'll be the next video. Fucks with y'all heavily.